In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new contacts in Prestashop. Whether you're a seasoned user of Prestashop or a complete beginner, the process of adding new contacts can be straightforward if you know where to look. Let's dive in step by step. First, from your Prestashop homepage, you want to navigate to a key section of the platform, the Settings. You'll find this at the bottom corner of your screen. Clicking here will lead you into the configuration options for your shop. Navigating through these settings is crucial as it opens up a variety of adjustments you can make to fine-tune how your shop operates. Now, once you're in the settings area, look for the option labeled Shop Parameters. Clicking on Shop Parameters is like opening the control panel to your shop's functionalities. Here, you're going to manage various aspects of your online store, including adding and managing contacts. The user-friendly interface makes this process smooth and ensures you have seamless access to all necessary tools. Once inside the shop parameters, your next step is to locate and click on Contact. This option is specifically designed for managing communication details within your Prestashop store. It's here that you have the autonomy to add, edit, or remove contacts, thus tailoring your communication strategies to your business needs. Now, with the contact page opened, look for a button that says Add New Contact. By selecting this, you will initiate the process to input a new contact that can be used for various purposes, such as customer support or inquiries. It's an important process to ensure your customers or partners can easily reach out when necessary. Once you've clicked Add New Contact, you will see fields where you can enter details. Begin by typing in the title of the new contact. The title acts as an identifier for the contact role or designation, so choose a title that is clear and relevant to their responsibilities or sector they belong to. Next, enter the email address. This step is critical, as it ensures messages are correctly routed to the intended recipient. Double-check the email for accuracy to avoid missing out on critical communications. Additionally, you have the option to add a description. Use this field to provide more context about the contact or explain their role. This could be additional information about their responsibilities or instructions for customers. Finally, when you've entered all the necessary information, scroll down and click Save. This action confirms and stores the new contact information in your Prestashop database. Always save your work to prevent any data loss and ensure the contact details are successfully added. With everything saved, your new contact is now active and ready to be used within your Prestashop store. Adding contacts is a potent way to improve communication and ensure that your store can respond promptly to any customer inquiry or internal procedure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful in enhancing your Prestashop experience.